Medical terminology. Root, suffix, prefix. Let's master 10 medical terms in 5 minutes, so let's get started. The first medical term is myalgia. Let's divide the medical term myalgia into myo and algia. The root term myo means muscle. The suffix algia is pain. So the entire medical term myalgia means muscle pain or ache. So the next term is nephritis. Let's divide the medical term nephritis into nephro and itis. The root term nephro means kidneys. The suffix itis is inflammation. So the entire medical term nephritis means inflammation of the kidneys. Let's see the next medical term meningioma. Let's divide the medical term meningioma into mening and oma. The root term mening means meninges, which is the membrane that covers and protects the brain and spinal cord. The suffix oma means tumor. So the entire medical term meningioma means tumor arising from the meninges. Coming to the next medical term, cardiomegaly. As always, let's divide the medical term cardiomegaly into cardio and megaly. The root term cardio means the heart. The suffix megaly means abnormal enlargement. So, the entire medical term cardiomegaly means enlarged heart. Well, let's consider the next medical term, gastrology. As usual, let's divide the medical term gastrology into gastro and logy. The root term gastro means the stomach. The suffix logy means the study of. So, the entire medical term gastrology means study of the stomach. Well, moving on to the next medical term, atherosclerosis. As usual, let's divide the medical term atherosclerosis into athero and sclerosis. The root term athero means soft, fatty cholesterol deposits. The suffix sclerosis means hardening and thickening of artery walls. So, the entire medical term atherosclerosis means hardening and thickening of the artery walls with fatty deposits or cholesterol. Then the next medical term is tachypnea. Let's divide the medical term tachypnea into tachy and nay. The root term tachy means rapid. The suffix nay means breathing. So, the entire medical term tachypnea means rapid breathing. Going on to the next medical term is hepatocele. Let's divide the medical term hepatocele into hepato and celle. The root term hepato means liver. The suffix celle means hernia. So, the entire medical term hepatocele means hernia of liver. The next medical term to consider is hysterectomy. Let's divide the medical term hysterectomy into hystero and ectomy. The root term hystero means the uterus. The suffix ectomy is surgical removal. So, the entire medical term hysterectomy means surgical removal of the uterus. The last and final medical term we are going to study is hematuria. As we have always done, let's divide the medical term hematuria into hemato and urea. The root term hemato means the blood. The suffix urea means urine. So, the entire medical term hematuria means blood and urine. Hooray! We have learned 10 medical terms in 5 minutes. This is indeed an achievement. Do subscribe and like the video and stay tuned for more.